Okay, so fellas, today we are drawing Shoyo Hinata from Haikyuu, and I'm not even gonna lie, this anime means way too much to me. We are skipping the sketch and line art because you already know how chaotic that part is. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the coloring. So, we are starting with the skin as usual. I kept it soft but warm because Hinata always feels like sunshine energy to me. And oh, honestly, Haikyuu was my comfort anime during exam. When I was stressed, overwhelmed, tired, I would just watch one episode and suddenly I felt like I could try again.
I can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls, cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself.
Alright, his skin tone is a bit warmer, that's why I'm using orange skin tone lightly.
And I'll be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence.
Now the hair. This orange is not just orange. This is a main character energy. I might be short, but I will jump higher than all of you energy, guys. I swear every time I see Hinata on the screen, it makes me want to work hard too because he's just like that.
Then we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work.
I added glasses because I wanted to give him a slightly different vibe, like focused, locked in study mode. And the headphone? That's for the Haikyuu openings. Tell me Haikyuu doesn't have some of the best opening ever. Every single one feels like an emotional speech with the music, guys. Come on. You have to agree with me here. And now, the clothes. For the clothes, I kept it color bold. I want that strong contrast, that confident pose because Haikyuu is not just about volleyball. It's about growth, effort, and teamwork. All of you agree here with me, right? And let me say this clearly, I do not compare characters, I do not hate any characters, I love entire team. Korasuno, their rival, everyone. Every single character has something special that what makes Haikyuu different.
Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Mike.
Well, our artwork is done. Now tell me in the comment section who should I draw next from Haikyuu. Maybe Tsukishima, maybe Tobio Kageyama, I don't know. If you want me to draw your favorite characters, just comment down and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.